Hi, my name is Annette Munger. I am the Director of Recruiting here at RE Garrison. I've been with RE Garrison since January of 2012. I worked as a safety clerk and I worked my way up to a safety manager. Up until November of last year, I was a safety manager for here for RE Garrison. I was transitioned into being the Director of Recruiting, so I took on a new role. And it's my job to bring in qualified drivers and driving partners who want to come home, who want to be here and be part of a family. Here at RE Garrison, I've been around a long time. I've seen a lot of drivers come and go, and I've seen a lot of drivers come and stay and be successful. We have drivers that's been here with us over 20 years. We want to offer that opportunity to all drivers. We want this to be home. We want to make you successful. We want to treat you like family here at RE Garrison. So it's our job here as part of the recruiting department to bring in quality drivers. We need qualified drivers. We need drivers with 2 years over the road experience, good MVRs, good PSPs, good work histories. We understand that drivers have mishaps and things happen, and we do what we can to work with drivers as long as they meet our qualifications. So if you're looking for a home, RE Garrison's the home you need. We want you here. We want to know you by name. You're not a number. You're not a truck number. You're not a driver code. RE Garrison offers new equipment. We have Freightliners, Cascadias that range from anywhere from a 2019 to a 2022 brand new off the lot. We try to offer the driver that's coming in the truck that they want, that we have available here on the yard when they come in for orientation. We have a whole team of people that are working for the driver to make them successful. Our shop department and the team that works there is amazing with working with our driver. Our terminal in Plant City, Florida, Mr. Caleb and his crew there, the crew here in Coleman, Miss Karen, Mr. Johnny, Jeremy Cox, all of our mechanics and shop team work to make our drivers successful and keep them on the road. So our shop team, we also have a roadside assistance crew that helps our drivers who are out on the road. I can't talk enough about that team and the shop team and how they keep our drivers successful here when they come in. Then on the admin side, you have a driver relations team that is here to help drivers with any issues, resolving payroll questions, resolving missing loads, anything that a driver has a problem with. They are there to assist the driver. Then you have your driver managers. Driver managers are here to make drivers successful and keep them loaded. It's their job to keep them rolling, because if they're not rolling, nobody's making money. So we also have a safety department that's on call 24/7 to keep our drivers compliant and legal on the road. So they're there to answer the questions that drivers have. What's the bridge law going into this state? We don't leave drivers stranded anywhere by any department. They're there to take care of our drivers. This crew is amazing, and They're learning every day. They're very smart. And our safety department is top notch. So our drivers are getting more green lights through pre-pass. They're getting the scale passes. Things are working the way they should for drivers so that drivers can keep rolling down the road, making revenue, making money, and being able to get home to their families because of the teams that we have in place here at RE Garrison supporting our drivers. We want you here at RE Garrison to be part of our family. We want you here not to be a truck number, not to be a driver code, or just another driver. We want you here to be family. We want you here at RE Garrison. So if you're interested in coming to RE Garrison and being part of our family, come on. Go to www.regarrison.com. Go to our driver application. Fill out a driver application and give us a call. We'll be glad to be in touch with you as soon as we get that application. Or if you've got questions before you fill that application out, you can call in and you can call that number. Talk to one of my recruiters. Talk to one of my team that's just waiting to talk to you. We want you to come on and be part of our family.